Today Simone is going to create this Caribbean Punch face paint for us, inspired by a split cake with the same name. A 1-inch flat brush to create the base of this face paint. So it is half a circle, and around that circle Simone just puts some stripes using the same colors of the same color block. And with the same colors the eyes get some paint as well. A nice petal shape just above the eyebrow and a stripe under the eye. Well, this is a Mark Reed brush and on it is Diamond FX white, and Simone is creating a flower with this. It's kind of the same as the tribal rose we did in a video a few weeks ago. On to double dipping some flowers. This is the Lily brush by Mark Reed, and Simone always does the double dip flowers with white by Diamond FX and plum by Superstar. That gives these double dip petals nice pink and white colors. So some teardrops on the forehead as well. A bit of the plum color in the double dip flowers. Some curls, retrace them with white, the same on both sides of the face of course. Just a few more teardrops. The dots next to the eyes and anywhere you can put them in this design. Don't forget to put in some stars as well to make this sparkle a bit. Plum for the lipstick, and with that our Caribbean Punch face paint for today is finished. Well, we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up.